All right, so here's how I do this here. So yeah, grab your wing here. Got the whole wing, the drumette, the wingtip down here. Okay, so what you gotta do is you want to extend them out, like this push down right here. And you say winner winner chicken dinner. That gets the wingtip exposed. Cut that off. Flip them over. You want them to flex. Now there's a gap right here in between the and the bone. When I get the cartilage. When I get down and look at it, you actually can kind of see it. But bring a knife down in there. It's not all the way down. It's not. Doesn't matter. That's what makes it do nice and easy. All right, say it with me. Winner winner chicken dinner. Press down. Wingtip exposed. Slice that off. Flip it around. Expose that weak cartilage in the middle. Comes right off. Now everybody with me. Winner winner chicken dinner. There you go. Easy as that. Oh, it's a little cold still. Oof. Get these good and dry. You want them wet at all when they go on the barbecue. Right now, that skin is what we're wanting to be nice and crispy. Get these nice and dry. And just a pepper and salt today because the main ingredient for flavor is going to be the sauce we're putting on. Now you can see with the deflector plate, I'm choosing to put the wings over the deflector plate, not like right here where I can get maybe possibly direct flame. This is we call it like a hot smoke. It's like 325, 350 degrees for these wings. Not a 225 kind of low thing what we're doing here. We want good hot heat to get these wings good and crispy and delicious. I'll finish up here because I'm seeing some flame. We don't want that. That'll be going to get too hot. There we go. Seen a few. We are 15 minutes in. Looking great. Great color on those guys. Good smoke going. Not too much, not too little. Right where we want to be. 350. See how we're doing. We're doing good. Let's get them off and we'll do the next step. Now for the sauce. We got melted butter going in this guy. It's 1 full stick. Parmesan cheese. Garlic, which we roasted. Squeeze that all out. Oh, beautiful. A little bit of seasoning. Not much. And salt. Start off slow. And also 1 egg. Sauce is done. Now comes the great part. Let's pour it on the. Let's get it on the wings. They're looking a lot better now that the sauce hit the wings. Looks absolutely beautiful. Garlic smell in the house is pretty amazing. Let's take these out and give them a try. Absolutely amazing. Okay, we got a little drumette. Pretty good. Now, we put a whole clove of garlic in here. I was a little worried it was going to be a little too overpowering. It's not. It tastes absolutely incredible. Definitely recommend it. Great recipe. I'll put a link in the description. It was Pinterest find. I have no problems using Pinterest. Well, the wife found it and I used it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Cheers.